Hello, good morning, dear students. So today we are going to follow the previous chapter itself. Okay, set chapter only, but it is the next topic from the set. Okay, so this type of chapters, that this type of formula you have already learned in class 8. Okay, hope you remember it. So in class 8, so what we have learned was NU. Okay, NU equals to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B plus NA union B whole complement. Okay, so if you see this one, so NU means this whole box. This box is called NU. Okay, NU. So what does it contains? It contains A, it contains B. This circular box is A. B, this circular box is A. Okay, you can see it. This is B, this is A. Now, if you are talking about just this part only, so I put a mistake down here. This is my pencil. So if you take this part only, then this is called N only A. This is because this is only A part, and this is only B part, only B. Okay, only B and B matre. So this contains A and B both. So this contains only B. This contains only A. Okay, so only A one cell. So we call it only B. And this part is called intersection. Intersection is common. Okay, so it includes A also, it includes B also. So A and B theta point we will write down over here. So while drawing the Venn diagram, we'll start from here first. You want to start going. Okay, so whenever we draw the Venn diagram. Okay, so next one. So how to write down the formula of NU? So NU को formula कसरी लेख्ने? So NU means, so it contains this box. यो NU भनेको यो triangle rectangle भित्र के छ? Okay, so it contains A and A. Okay, it contains B, so that's why we call it NB. NB. Okay, and if you see it properly, then this NA र NB लेख्दाखेरि यो सर्कल दुईपल्ट रिपिट भएको हैन है. So when you write down this one, then it is included. When you draw this part, then what is included? This is again included. It is included double time. Okay. So के गर्ने एकपल्ट minus गरिदिने. So we are doing minus one time. So minus N A intersection B. Okay. Now what is the next now? Okay. So you open bar. So this we have separated one time. So what is left now? So one more thing is left. So that's called complement. Complement means those number which is outside the circle is called complement. This part. Okay. So we can write down anywhere, but we need to write down outside the circle. Hmm. We need to write down outside the circle. So you tinta part, charta part, it includes NU. So NA, okay, so NA plus NB. So intersection it is repeated two times, that's a minus garne, and plus A union B whole complement. So this is the formula. Hmm. So next one, NU. So if only is given, then what will be the formula? So only A means this part only. Only B, again this part only. So this, in this case, okay, so now if we include only, okay, so NU means only A, only B, okay, so there is intersection. This, it is not included here also, because only A means this part only this part, okay, so only B means only this part. So is it included? No, it is not included. Okay, so like so instead of doing minus, we need to do plus. 11 plus करते हैं. So let us do plus. Okay, so let us add it. So here it was repeated, that's why we have done minus. Now here we need to do plus because it is not repeated anywhere. A कतै पनि plus भएको छैन, that's why let us add it. Okay, so this plus this plus this, that means you circle plus भयो. Now what is left now? So it is the number which is outside the circle is left. What do we call it? We call it complement. So A union B whole complement is left. Okay, align plus value. So this is our formula. Hmm. So if there is A union B means the number which is inside the circle is called A union B. Union B means the number inside the circle. So what is there inside the circle? As we have done before also. Okay. So A union B means your circle भित्रको number के गर्ने त? So Na, hmm, Nb, so it is repeated two times, so minus. So whatever there is from here to here, we need to write on the same thing. Na, Nb minus N intersection B. That is the formula. So complement means it is outside the circle. So but A and B means those number which is inside the circle is called union. Okay. So you complement by why you can write down everything here. So here also NU ma you complement by clicking it, that is also the next formula. So if we are talking about the next formula, so A union B means what is the formula of A union B? Only. Okay, so let us follow the formula of only. So only A plus only B plus A intersection B. So this plus this. So then that means this is our formula. So we need to memorize the formula, then only we can go to our relation. Okay, so this is the main topic. So if you can memorize the formula, we can memorize everything. Okay, so let us go to the formula. So question. Same problem. Okay. So look at the next problem over here. First question of this set chapter. So NA, suppose 50 is given, NB is given 45, intersection is given 15. So complement, okay, so complement is given 5. So find the value of NU. So is there NA or only A? NA, okay. So if there is NA, there are two formulas. So if there is NA, okay, so there is only A, other is NA. So if there is NA, use this formula of union, sorry, universal set, NU. So if there is only, use this formula. Okay, so look at here. So is there only or NA? There is NA. So what is the formula of NU? So NU means NA plus NB minus NA intersection B plus A union B whole complement. So let us use this formula. So Na plus Nb minus A intersection B, A union B whole complement. So what is the value of Na? Na means 50, B means 45, intersection means 15, okay, and complement is 5. So just we need to add and subtract the number, we'll get 85 as the answer. It's so simple. Okay, so just you need to put the value and get the answer. And we need to make the Venn diagram also. Okay, so in class 8 we have done it. Hope you remember it. So whenever we make the Venn diagram, we need to start from where? Okay. So hope you remember it. We need to start from intersection. Do you remember? Okay. So we need to start from intersection. So intersection B. So find out where is intersection. Yeah. Okay. So this is the intersection. So write down 15. Okay. So this is 15. Now what we should do? So NA is 50. So NA means this whole part is NA. This is 50. So third wala. Okay. So what we should do? 50 minus intersection we need to subtract. Okay, so our what's I mean, so what we can do? So directly let us do it. So see, 50 is there, 15 is there. So out of 50, how much we have already written? 15 we have already written. That means 50 minus 15, how much it will be? It is going to be 35. Let us write down directly. Okay, yeah, 50 sir. Out of 50, 15 is already written. How much is left? 35 is left. Okay, so out of 45, 15 is written. So how much is left? 45 minus 15 is going to be 30. Okay, now you can use a calculator, you can use it and you can get the answer. Okay, so B, only B. This is only B. That means we need to subtract with intersection. 15, sorry, 45 minus 15. 45 minus 15 we should write them, but now in class 9 we need to show anything. Just write them directly. Did you understand or not? Okay, so NA, this whole part is 50. Out of 50, 15 is written. That means 50 minus 15, 45. This whole part is 45. Out of 45, 15 is written already. So how much is left? 45 minus 15 is going to be 30. So how much part is left? Intersection. So complement is 5. So let us write on 5. Okay, so in this way our Venn diagram is also completed, and once count whether you are going to get NU or not. Always this U should be matched with this one. What is the value of U? 85. Let us count whether it is going to be 85 or not. If it is not 85, your answer is wrong. Okay, so let us add from the last unit place. 5 plus 0 plus 5 plus 5, it is going to be 15. Okay, 15, carry 1. Hmm. So 3 plus 1 plus 3 is going to be 6, 7. 7 plus 1, there was carry 1, isn't it? So 7 plus 1, 8, 85. So this is the total value of this. You can use a calculator and get the answer. So 45 plus 15 is going to be 50, 50 plus 30 is going to be 80, 80 plus 5, 85. Okay, so it's going to be 85. So did we get the answer or not? Your support total, it is going to be, it should be 85. Okay, we got the answer. So in this way, we'll get the answer. Now see, what is there? So there is only. So if there is only, so what will be the formula? Only A plus only B plus intersection plus all complete. Hmm? So just put the value. So 50 is there, 45 is there. Okay, intersection is 15, so 5. Add all the numbers, we are going to be, get 150, 115. Okay, this is going to be a value of NU. Okay, now let us insert inside the Venn diagram. So only means what? Only A means this whole part? No, only this part only. New part number we call it only. So this only A is how much? It is 50. Let us write down 50. I told you just start from this intersection, but if there is only, we can start from anywhere. Okay. So in case of other cases, so we need to start from here. Intersection what I started on. Okay. Okay. So let me start from intersection. So what is the intersection? 15. So let us start from 15. Okay. So 15. Now only A is how much? 50. Only A is 50. So no need to subtract anything. Hey, but on for that. So why we are not subtracting? Because only means this part. NA. Okay, for NA थियो, NA means it includes 15 also. That's why we are subtracting it. But only A means only this part. Only B means only this part. So what is the value of only B? 45. 45. And complement is almost 5. So add the number. So 45 plus 15, 60. Okay. 60 plus 50, 110. 110 plus 5 is going to be 100. Sorry. 60, 60, 60. 60 plus 50 is going to be 110, 110 plus 5, 150. So that is the answer. So 115. Did you get the value of NUS 115 or not? Okay. So here also we'll get 115. Here also we need to get 115. If you will not get the value as 115, your answer will be wrong. Okay. Because NU at the 115 SSR, this total also should be 115. Hmm. So in this way, we'll get our answer. Okay. So let us go to the next topic. Okay, in this case, what is given? So only NA is given, NB is given 45. Oh, intersection is missing now. Intersection is missing, that means NU will be given. NU they got 830, 85. I have given the same question. Question number one is repeated over here. Okay, just little bit uh, I have changed the question. Okay, instead of finding NU, let us find out intersection. Okay, intersection. So let us solve this as X. So NA 50, 45, intersection we don't know, so complement is 5. Okay, so NU is 85. So how will you find out NU? So NU, so it is only or NA. Okay, so if it is NA, so here it should be minus. In case of intersection, it must be minus. Okay, so now let us use the value. NU means 85. Okay, so where is 85? 85. NA, NA is 50, rather than 50. NB 45. Intersection, oh, intersection is not given. Let us suppose it as X. Intersection is X. And complement is how much? 5. Complement is 5. Hmm. Let us subtract, add this number. 50 plus 45, 95. 95 plus 5, it's going to be 100. Okay. Now you can take this 100 this side, or you can take 85 this side. Okay, your wish. So let me take 100 this side. So 85 minus 100, it is going to be minus 15. Ah, so there is minus x, so let us write the minus x itself. Minus x, x value minus plus, that's why let us put minus x. Now 85 minus 100, it is going to be minus 15. Minus and minus will be cancelled. That means what is the value of x? X is going to be 15. So x means what? So x means it is intersection. So let us write down N A intersection b equals to x. X means 50. Okay, after that line, after this line, let us write down in this way. Okay, so I have left this one also. Okay, so always start from the intersection. What is the value of intersection? 15 is here. We got this one as 15 and a is 50. Look at here, eh? This is an a, not only a. An a means you need to subtract 50 minus 15, 35. 35. So here is NB or only B. NB means you need to subtract 45 minus 15, 30. And what is the value of complement? Complement is 5. Add this all, you should get NU. Okay, so if we add it, 35 plus 15 is will be 50, 50 plus 30, 80, 80 plus 5, 85. Okay, did you get the value of NU as 85 or not? Okay, we got the 85. We got it as 85 and our answer is correct. Okay, so let us go to the next question also quickly. So only A is given 50, only B is not given. That means let us suppose this is X, intersection is given now, complement we done. So it is given 5 and U is also given now. Okay, so if there is only, what will be the formula? There should be the plus in intersection. Okay, so let us put the value. NU is how much? NU. Okay, 115 is there. Only A, only A is 50. Only B, X. We don't know the value X. So intersection is 15 and complement is how much? Complement is 5. Okay. Add this value first. 50 plus 15 plus 5 is going to be 70. So when 70 go, this will be minus. Okay. So 115 and minus 70 is going to be 45. So what is the value of X? X is 45. And at last, always write down what is X. Okay. Therefore, X means what? X means it is only B. So only B equals to X. Okay, it means x means how much? Yeah, let me erase it. This means x, what is the value of x? It is 45. It is 45. Only b means 45. Okay, so let us insert it. So always start from the intersection. Intersection is 15. So only a is how much? Only a means 50. Okay, only b is how much? Only b, how much we got the value of only b? Only b is 45. Only b, this is the place of only. Only means this part. And what is the value of complement is 5. Okay, so চারটা fill up করবো 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 all is 4 parts will be filled up and count how much is the total. So 50, so okay, let me start from here. 45 plus 50 it is 60, 60 plus 50 it is 110, 110 plus 5 100, 115. Okay, so check where is NU. NU, okay, we got NU. And NU is how much? 150. So in this way, so we can solve all the answers of set question. Okay, set chapter question we can solve it in this way. Okay, so thank you. I'll provide you the homework. Okay, so as a photograph. Thank you. Let's connect after a few days. Thank you.